Well, hello guys. Well, I've just found something at the top of my street, so I'll just show you. It's just up road, well not at the top of the street, but road, so I'm just gonna go see what it's like. So I think it is a hoover, right? So let's just go over here. We'll go see what it is. So as you can see there, building. You can see it being a dump site down here. But, oh, a hoover there. There's a Vax 613 there, but this is what I've come to have a look. So a hoover turbopower. Let's have a look. There, yep. As you can see, good brush roll on it. So I'm a bit worried to open this light, but let's see. Oh, so it doesn't open then. Yes. So I don't know if to take it or not. Let's just have a quick look at it. Yeah. It's in fairly good condition. Yes. I think we might have that. So thanks. Bye. Hi guys, well now we're going to test the hoover turbo power, see if it works. So it seems to work, but I don't know if